Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to review a product named as ShortsAI. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, basically what this product is. It is a brand new app turns your smartphone into a list building machine. You can explode your video marketing with the proven software. With this ShortsAI, you can create perfect videos without any rumbling, bloopers, cue cards, or memorizing any scripts. Now, let's see what are the amazing things that are included in ShortsAI. The first thing that comes here is that it reduces the problem of writing the scripts. You can let the AI write your script. You don't need to memorize lines. You will always know what to say next. You can stop rumbling and say it concisely with ShortsAI. You can generate your script for your videos in just one click and get on camera with the built-in ShortsAI prompter. The next one is that it works seamlessly with both Apple and Android. You can join thousands of happy video makers using the leading short video creation app for Android, iPhone and iPad. ShortsAI works perfectly on both Mac and Windows without the need to subscribe to any paid plans, which also makes it easy for you to use the app from the web. It can sync desktop and mobile apps. You can easily switch between your desktop and phone whenever you want. You can also shoot a video on the fly or from the comfort of your home or office desk. ShortsAI is accessible from anywhere and anytime. It also includes the feature that is automatic silence removal, which means you no longer have to worry about awkward long pauses while shooting your videos. ShortsAI has built-in automatic silence removal technology. You don't need to edit and patch the audio and then try to match it with the video. ShortsAI easily helps with this problem. It also contains customizable teleprompter. You can fine-tune your teleprompter for video to perfectly fit how you shoot. You can also easily customize settings for your display size, portrait or landscape orientation, desired speaking speed, and more. The best part that I love the most about the ShortsAI is that it includes step-by-step exclusive training on how you can monetize short videos in 2023. It will teach you how to make profitable short videos even if you have never made a short video before. It contains 5 different modules. The first module teaches the advanced concepts for shorts, which means in this module, you will learn how to use storytelling to create effective videos. You will learn how to develop ideas or concepts for your niche. You can easily understand the importance of lighting and other important aspects of shooting. The second module teaches the perfecting your shorts, which covers different sub-modules like you will familiarize yourself with the platforms and their specific guidelines. You will learn how to repurpose content across platforms, and also how to do the effective planning and scheduling of your content. The third module covers generating leads with your shorts. In this, you will learn how to get people to give you their email address, how to offer the ideal lead magnet for your niche, and what to do with that email address, that is the working of email automation. The fourth module teaches how to get sales with your shorts. You will get to know what should you sell, how to sell low and high ticket offers. The fifth and the last module teaches the planting the seeds for long-term success. You can understand the importance of trends and how they can help you profit. You will also learn about tracking your results and killing what isn't converting and how to do always testing. You will learn how to find what works best in your niche and with your audience. So, guys, I think it is fully packed with such amazing features, trainings, and now, finally, if you are interested in purchasing this product, you can purchase from the original website link provided in the comments. If you purchase this product from my link, I am also going to provide you some of my additional bonuses. In order to avail the bonuses, you can contact me on my Instagram handle, which is given in description. Send me a screenshot of the purchase and I will provide you the bonuses. That's it for this review, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.